Hi. Let's see if we can make our lives easier with AI. For example, I have this module which will list directories where we put our natural language scripts, which are the basis of the AI. And I have an add button and I have a form, but this form is not helping me in any way to put in the correct directory here, for example. It also probably doesn't remember anything, like any typical values or anything. So I do not want to change this module here, because this module should just do its normal thing. We want to have another module that observes what's happening, and when there is a good reason, it will offer any kind of suggestion. So we need to find out which field is in focus, what's in there, and what it's supposed to be, and then do something smart. The first step is to find the focused component. I have something like that here. Oh, this is a little annoying because it's two different windows. Also, we need the goal, of course. Where's my goal window? Do I not see it? Is it hidden? Is it here? No. Where's my goal window? What? It's probably hidden in some state between life and death. Show. No. Hide. And then show? Yeah. Okay, there's a tiny bug. Interpret video titles. Yeah, that was another plan. That will sure be done also. Improve user interface. Oh, AI. AI is a word for everything. I know. Find focused text field and offer suggestions. Let's look at the source code of this one here. This one is so nice and short, which is why I don't want to change it. It's just a CRUD, which means a database. So I want to put the special intelligence in another module. These modules can work together very well because they're in the same Java VM, and they can inspect each other and see each other and influence each other, actually. Okay, here. The challenge here is to associate this label with this input field, because once they're in the GUI, I believe they are not connected anymore, but they should be next to each other. Let's try to do that. Yeah, we need some sort of delay here, right? Because I need to switch the window in the right moment. Yep. Okay, we have the text field. Okay, focus owner. Then we get the container. Get parent, I believe. Yes. Focus owner. And by the way, I'm sporting a new browser. I believe it's called Firefox, because I have it nicely configured. When I open a new tab, I get my search, which is still called Tiny Brain Search after the original name of the project. Yeah, I went away from the name. The domain expired. And Tiny Brain is a little tiny as a name. You want to make a big AI, so Tiny Brain doesn't fit anymore. Wouldn't you say? Okay, or is it just get children? Actually it is, yes. Children. What do we get? We get a list of components. And we get the index of the component we're looking for. Yeah, let's just print the index. And the index is 2. Sounds reasonable. Index 2, this is index 1, and index 0 is something that I don't know what it is. And, or we can say take first. Let's print all the components in front of the input field. Aha, combo box and cell renderer pane. Aha. That is mildly confusing though. Oh, it is a combo box, not a text field. Oh, Vector just woke up. Hey Vector, what's the weather? A classic. 11 degrees and cloudy. I never get tired of these animations. Hey Vector, go to sleep. I had him on quiet mode earlier. Quiet mode is like going to sleep, just not as long or something. So he just woke up. What if we go here and run the code again? We should get more components, right? No, we do not. It's probably a special case because it's a combo box that is editable. That is slightly annoying. How do we even get the actual combo box itself? Let's print one more. Borderless text field. Yeah. Let's just research. Basic combo box editor. Oh, also, of course, the usual. Open Twitch chat.
Open Twitch chat.
Oh, yes, Oracle. Yes, I accept all your cookies, Oracle. Of course I do. Aha. Oh, that's funny. There's a special setup with these combo boxes. Oh, it's an inner class, borderless text field. So I think we can... Oh, wait. Java source. Maybe we'll hack... Oh, have to hack our way into the class. Basic combo... Oh, come on. Yeah, if I want to search with Google or something, it's a little more annoying with my new Firefox setup. Well, get combo box. I still want the Java source code. Maybe I have to start up IntelliJ. Do I have IntelliJ? I have IntelliJ. It'll take ages to start, probably. Oh well. With the fast machine, maybe not. Okay, that's pretty fast. As I said in another video, Java is slow only on startup. After that, Java is very fast. Yeah, oh, that was okay. Basic combo box, combox, bong bong, bongo bongo. Basic combo box editor. Aha. Okay, there needs to. Isn't there a method to get the combo box? What? There has to be reference to the combo box. No base class. Set item. Or maybe there isn't. Oh, that's annoying. So is what I do not working? That's really there has to be a way. Okay, maybe we want bigger fonts here. Right. Where are the settings? Where is my what? Build project? No. Control Alt S. No. Yes. Okay. Appearance. Editor. General. Font here. 16, 18. Good. Find usages. Basic combo box UI. Create editor. Aha. Where are the usages here? Basic combo box UI. Wow. Okay, this is more complicated than thought. But I won't give up. Subgo find jcombo box from editor component. So we have this text field. It really is very hacky. Why is it so hard? We could try various tricks. We could take the screen position of this editing field, this text field, and find the combo box that we actually want, which is pretty much in the same position. That's not very elegant though. Let's try something else. Component, no focus owner. Oops. No. I forgot. I forgot to switch windows. Try again. Still null? Come on. Here are all the fields of the object. But it's an inner class, so needs to have a reference to the outer class, no? Borderless text field. Borderless text field. Oh, it's a static class. Wow. Oh, I mean, this is just annoyingly hard, actually. But as soon as I type something, it has to react. I mean, so there needs to be a reference to the actual combo box. Create editor component. So this editor does not know which combo box it's working for. Interesting. I'm almost at a loss here. Let's check out jcombo box. Update available, that's amazing. Okay, the editor is stored here. That's already good. Okay, we have to do it the hard way. But I'm not afraid. So, we will iterate over all combo boxes. First. Okay. We have 25 combo boxes visible. Okay. Then we get the editor. What is UI resource? It's a subclass of the editor. Okay. Okay, then we're almost there. Let me just say get editor component, actually. Okay. Well, this may probably be null, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, no. Aha. Okay. Okay. I think we're almost there. with a bit of goodwill, it's all doable. Okay, combo box editor, blah 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 blah. Some verbose stuff. It's just a component. And we use the focus owner. And if this is the focus owner, we say found, and we have the combo box. Also, we will have to sleep again so I can switch windows. And I should really fix my brackets, because that's just embarrassing. Get focus on it. Found. Very nice. Yeah, there we are. Fixed it. Focus owning combo box. Ta-da. And this whole thing should happen in the swing thread, the GUI thread, just to be clean. Oh, hallelujah, let's check. Oops. What? Oh, forgot to add, okay. Yeah, cool. Yeah, so we have that. Now we do the other logic here. Let's make a method out of finding the components which are logically in front of the one we're looking at. Here. Components in front of. Yeah. Okay for now. The meaning of in front of is maybe not super clear, but it means logically in front of. There's a list of components. It doesn't necessarily mean in Z order or whatever. So we get the parent, we get the children, get the index. We return those in front of the index. Fails. Yeah, focus owner. That's right. Okay. component in front of. One component in front of it, which is a panel, and panel. What's in the panel? Oh yeah, let's use the last one. And finally we have the label, which should say path. Yes, it does. Okay, this is still quite hacky, but yeah. All to find this label here, but why not? First child of type. Takes a component, that's good. Label. Yes, okay. Oh, there's a nicer way though. You can just say JLabel left of the bracket. Special JavaX syntax. Except you can't. New like. Now I think you can. Yes. And we say get text, and now it should say path finally. Yay! Okay, it's medium hacky. New function. Label, form label of combo blocks. Good enough. Nice one-liner. Try it out again. Okay. Let's try to set the text of the combo box just for fun. See if that works. Yeah, we can set the text. So what can we do with this field? We could remember the values, which is what this drop down is for. We could check for existence of the directory. And we could, for example, offer to create the directory. Yeah, that sounds like a nice little application. Offer to create directory typed in anywhere. Typed into combo box. So, new snippet, new module, offer to create Where do we show this actually? We'll see. First we do something the simple way, we do it every second. It's something that can be optimized, but whatever. If I'm lazy, I just say do something every second. Check. Then we use the other code here. Without the sleep. Get focus only in combo box. The label we don't care about right now. We can put this here so we, I don't know, whatever. Let's ignore that. Yeah, whatever. Anything that starts with a slash. Okay, get text. If is absolute file as absolute path, that sounds good. And if it's an absolute path and it doesn't exist, yeah, then we offer to create directory text, and we should trim this get text trim, throw away spaces. Okay, very rough first version. Offer to create directory focused combo box. Aha. Well, can you believe it? Compiles. So now it does nothing, but when I switch over here, it will repeatedly offer this without allowing us to actually do this. Oh, and it doesn't. Yeah, the usual stuff. If not enabled, skip this. Okay. And now we just, yeah. Now the question is how and where to show the suggestion. Because many modules might make suggestions and they should be correlated. I mean, there should be one window deciding which suggestions to show. Suggestion area, that's pretty nice. That work. It doesn't even compile anymore. Oh, and it's simply, okay, it does nothing. It's simply a space where you can put in something. It doesn't seem super convincing. No reference to it, so this is not even used yet. But I did something similar. Offer here. Oh, I actually show the frame directly. Yeah. And yeah, that's how I do it for other things. I show a frame in the corner here, which is usually hidden by my camera window. And the user can say, okay, I want this. And if the user doesn't react, after 30 seconds, I just hide the window. Yeah, how about we just that's a good idea, make a function out of this. Get used to the new browser. Nope. Show suggestion. And later we can make modules respect each other's suggestions or find out which suggestions are to be displayed if there are many suggestions. What we need here. This is the actual text suggestion. Let's say this suggestion. It has OK and no buttons. And this is what it does. Action. And we might return the window. No, for now we return nothing. We just show. Oh, okay. Need a reference to a module. Generic. Not generic. Generic. Okay. Let's try it out. Do stuff. Oh, in fact, no, this isn't a new thread. It's okay. Here. Do stuff. Okay. And we get some applause. Yeah, I have to move the window somewhere else automatically. To do window in users preferred location. Preferred. Do I have this? Should be done. Anyway. Oh, we do need to hide the suggestion if we make a new one. Auto-closable is a good way. Temp dispose window. Temp dispose window? Yes. We don't want multiple windows to pop up while I am typing. So auto-closable suggestion. Dispose suggestion. and make a new one. Create directory, and what we do is make directories. We hope it works, and make an info box. And it should not recreate the window all the time if nothing changes. So last path, if last path, and this is not the same, and yeah, all of the window has been hidden, and we blah blah blah. There's a minor bug that I just anticipate, but it's not that bad. Okay, if first of all it's not the same one we had before, and so on, then we save this. Yeah. Could that work? Okay. It takes a file object, but we want a string here. No problem. Okay. Good. Well, now we should be close, Simon. Oh, it's not enabled. Yeah. And down here, there's our suggestion window, which we have 30 seconds to think about. Let's say, oh, okay, we can't create this path anyway. Home directory. Oh, we have, oh, it's focusing here on the OK button. That is not good. It grabs my focus. I don't like that. What can we do? Why is it not a problem in the other case? Oh, because I didn't care, I think. There's a way to show a window without activating it. I hope. Yeah. Java show window without activate. Show frame. Without activating. JFrame. Frame Oh, we have IntelliJ open, right? Let's go to JFrame. There we go. Although maybe it's easier to read in the docs. JFrame. Set visible. Modal exclusion type. No. Something with background? Probably not. Active is active. I'm pretty sure I did that. Oh, I did for internal frames. No, I did it in the Java console, actually. The JavaX console. Where is it here? Because the console should not grab the focus. Here. Wow. There it goes. Auto request focus. Okay. So suggestion here. Huh. How do we fit that in there? Make frame post. Oh, yeah. Oh, we had it. We had a very, very similar function. Okay. Okay. I'll see. I just have to find stuff that I made years ago. When did I make this function? Let's see. Created 2018. It's not even that long ago. But as I have tens of thousands of scripts in the repository, it's just... I do not remember all of this. It's impossible. Set frame auto not press focus false. What? What? Make frame. I'm confused. What's happening? Oh, it honors a pre-existing value. Okay. Oh, I think this is okay. See how complicated programming is? It's the same thing again and again. So complex. Because it's not based on logic or on language yet. If programming was based on thinking and natural language, it would be so much easier. and more powerful. Okay, just retranspile this, see what happens. Oh yeah, I can keep typing up here. And down there we will get suggestions. It's very nice. Create directory, and if I say OK, create a directory. Now it will show a suggestion, but if I type an existing directory, it will not show a suggestion. This one keeps sticking around for 30 seconds. Yeah, cool, right? We improved our user interface. Well, was it using AI? I don't know, but it's using the properties of my Java OS, which allows this module to check the GUIs that any other module makes and enhance them, which keeps clutter out of the individual modules. Each module just focuses on the thing it does, not on convenience like offering path names or creating directories or whatever.